Hello, and welcome to Curbside Communicator user training. Curbside Communicator is designed to be a user-friendly interface that allows you as library staff to safely and effectively manage your curbside hold pickup process while communicating in real time with your patron. Let's see how this works. To start things off, you will need to log into the Curbside Communicator program. You can do so by visiting the login page from any computer that has internet access. For best results, we recommend using the Chrome web browser, but the program can also be used on Apple Safari, Microsoft Edge, and Mozilla Firefox as well. Once you get to the web page, all you have to do is enter your branch's username, which will normally be a generic or shared email, and the password you and your team have agreed upon. Once you enter this information, all you have to do is select Login, and you will be taken to the Curbside Communicator's home screen. If this is the first time logging in, there are a few settings you will want to immediately change on your account. First, by default, Curbside Communicator is automatically set to pause an agent whenever they are inactive for a certain period of time. You'll want to uncheck this option. That way, if you're working on a different program or web tab, or if you step away from your computer fulfilling holds, the system will not take you offline. Second, in order to ensure that you don't miss a patron checking in, you'll want to enable the Repeat Till Answered option. This way, if you're outside making a delivery or pulling books, you won't miss a patron checking in. Last but not least, you'll want to make sure that all alerts are enabled. Once you make these changes, you'll want to hit Save. Once the window closes, the settings are in effect. Please note that these changes will remain for all users that are using this login, so this step should not have to be repeated more than once. Next, let's take a look at your status bar. As you can see on the screen, this account is currently set to Available. This means that I am able to take patron check-in messages. Clicking on the green Available status will allow you to change your status to Paused. This means that while you are logged in, you are not available to accept check-ins. As a result, your check-in web link will display an offline message for patrons, as there will be no one available to accept messages. In order to transition back to Available status, simply click Paused, and then Available again. You are now active and in the queue. At the end of the day, you'll want to log out of the communicator. In order to do so, click on your agent icon in the top right-hand corner of the screen, and you'll be taken back to the Curbside Communicator login page. Now that we have some basic housekeeping out of the way, let's see what it looks like to handle a patron checking in. Once a patron texts in with their information to the number that is specific to your branch, or they use your branch's appropriate web link, a message will pop up on the right-hand side of the screen. Please note that each user can handle up to 10 interactions at a time. Curbside Communicator will automatically list the newest chat at the top of the list and the oldest chat at the bottom, so you can easily keep track of who has been waiting the longest. Also, you can always tell which chat interaction is currently being displayed, as it will be highlighted in green. Once a conversation is active, you will be presented with its chat transcript. Once you have received all of the information you need, you can type a quick response back to the patron and hit Enter on your keyboard or click the Send button. That, or you can use shortcuts to type a quick response if your organization has enabled them by typing in a backslash and an appropriate keyword. Alternatively, you can also hit the shortcut icon below the message box and select the appropriate shortcut from the list. Once you are done gathering all the information from your patron or you have delivered their items, you can close out the conversation by selecting End Chat. This will remove the current conversation from the live bar on the left-hand side of the screen. Please note that if for any reason there are no other active conversations and you hit this option, the latest transcript will remain displayed. To prevent confusion, you can hit the Home button in the top right-hand corner of the screen, and any inactive chats will be cleared from view. Please note that if an interaction is still active, it will not disappear from the screen after pressing this button. Well, that wraps up our introduction to Curbside Communicator. We hope it will help you and your team navigate the twists and turns of curbside pickup.